Hi there, welcome back to the SEO Bootcamp by Moz Academy. This is the Backlink Basics course, and in this lesson, we'll be conducting link building outreach. Now, this is our flowchart for manual link building that we've been following so far and referring back to, and this is the current stage where we are right now. So I've exported results for my targeted keywords and topics and then sorted them by rank position. And then I've identified and analyzed opportunities within that inbound links list. And now I want to develop an outreach strategy and contact some site owners. Now, your strategy will differ depending on what types of sites that you're reaching out to. So, for example, for a very large site, let's say you're reaching out to a lifestyle magazine or maybe some sort of personal finance magazine. You may, instead of reaching out to the website, you may want to reach out to an author. So, for example, if you reach out to a lifestyle magazine author, you may want to reach out to someone who pens articles on a bunch of different lifestyle sites. Now, for a site like a .gov or .edu, you might want to ask to be added to a list of resources. And then for something like a small blog, you may want to ask for a referral link or a review of your product or service. Now, when you reach out to them, you can contact them via email. You might be able to find this information on the actual article or on the website, or you may need to Google their name and find their own personal site or blog in which you can find their email address or at least find a way to contact them through their personal site. Another option is to find them on social media, especially platforms such as Twitter or LinkedIn or maybe even Facebook. That can be a good way to reach out. And then there's, of course, the option to reach out to them by phone if their phone number is readily available. So there will be different approaches depending on your industry and who's linking in your industry. Your mission is to show how you can provide value to their audience. Now, if you have different personas within your own audience, your value may differ from persona to persona, which means your approach will differ from website to website that you're reaching out to. So be thinking about that. Focus on why linking to you helps them. And then when you do contact them, make it very specific, personal, and make it easy. Provide the exact URL, the exact anchor text, and how it specifically relates to their audience. Always make their life easy. I really like to refer to this verticalmeasures.com infographic when it comes to effective outreach. Now, number one, you start with the bowl. And the bowl is the groundwork. This is the good content. You want to have beneficial, in-depth, non-branded content that's relevant to their audience. Really, this is the groundwork. Number two is the ice cream. You want to grab the recipient's attention. You might want to try testing different subject lines, but be memorable and differentiate your pitch. Avoid being too salesy. That kind of sales approach won't necessarily grab their attention. Number three is the hot fudge. Keep it simple. Always respect your recipient's time. Webmasters receive a lot of link requests, and so make sure you are straightforward, simple, and respect their time. Number four is the sprinkles. That's being personal. Make sure you use name and specifics. Now, a lot of people like to use email templates when they're reaching out to ask for a backlink, which is okay. Just make sure that if you are using a template, you want to customize each email with your recipient's name, a personalized subject line, and a line or two in the email specifically about their site and their audience. Number five is the chocolate chips. And that's showing awareness of their site or audience. Make sure you take a look at their website, become familiar with their brand and their audience. You may even want to include a snippet from a post on their site, or maybe even look for any broken links on their site that you can let them know about. Number six is the peanuts. Webmasters will add a link that provides the most value for themselves and their audience. So there must be some sort of exchange of value here. In your email, make sure that you clearly communicate the value of your website and exactly how their website and their audience will benefit from it. Now, number 7, as we said before, make their life easy. Add the URL on your site that you'd like them to link to, include the anchor text, and specifically how your content relates to a segment of their audience. Make that connection easy and simple for them to see. And number 8 is that cherry on top. Hopefully you'll get that link. So that's kind of the process and the email or the outreach that you want to conduct when you're looking for a backlink. That's the flow of a manual link building process. Thank you.